That is bad that it does not protect against sun, but the problem I have with it is the absorbency.
Jesus!
English. Me, I don't even know what I spoke it now. Hey people, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are amazing. So guys, in today's video, I'll be making a very quick review of this Disar sunblock SPF. So guys, what to expect from this sunblock and what this sunblock can offer to you. Moisturizing sunblock SPF 90. The new sunblock SPF 90 is made in formula the all-round UVA protection and high-strength antioxidant ingredient.
Will you keep quiet?
So before going out, evenly apply the products to such position exposed to the sun as face, neck, and all that. So guys, when I got this sunblock, I used it, and the first thing I noticed is that when you open it and get it out, it is always very difficult to absorb and to clear. Guys, I don't know, people that use it like this, you know, if it's used to promise cream, if you want to use it to promise cream, that one is another issue. But this one, you're applying it on your face. Do you know that if you do not massage this thing very well on your skin, you will look like a masquerade?
Apostle, we hear of this.
You look like someone that is coming from a house where they put to bed newborn baby. Yes, that they give you powder just on your face. Like, guys, I'm saying my own honest review of this Disar sunblock or what. That is the first thing I noticed about it. And then when you use it, when you try to, in fact, after the first and second day of using it, they just have to look for something like a moisturizer, shea butter, mix it together, so that it would like absorb together for you to be able to, you know, blend with your face or any way you want to apply it. So if you want to use this, maybe you should mix it with your face cream. Mix it with your face cream before you apply it to go out, if you want to go for it. But for me, this Disar did not work for me. I will not lie to you. This one did not work for me. So the one I later went for is Amos White. That one is moisturizing. When you apply it and the cream will absorb. You know that it's a cream that you apply. You just apply it wherever you want to apply it and then go out. But this one, for you to apply, you have to, before you now, when after applying, you still be looking for something that you use to blend it, as if you're applying a what do they call it? Me when they do makeup, what did
Will
they
you
call
keep
that
quiet?
normally? Pancake on your face. When you're not applying pancake on your face. So this sunblock might be, you know, suitable for some people, but for me, it's not suitable for me. This one is not suitable for me. You can use it only when I would recommend it is when you want to promise. It's not that it's bad that it does not protect against sun, but the problem I have with it is the absorbency.
Jesus!
English. Me, I don't even know what I spoke it now. The thing is not used to blend very well. You have to contour before the two will blend. What's that? Is that what I came for? So if you want to go for it, but look for something that you can use to promise it, so that it will be able to, you know, suit your face and make you look beautiful, so that you decide, they will not be asking, who is this makeup artist? Let us give this person an award. This person deserve award. Don't go and apply what you apply. People will be asking, wow. Let's a round of applause. Okay, so if you want to go for the sunscreen, please look for something that you're going to promise it with, and then if you don't want, then you can go for other sun. There are very good, amazing, and cheap sun block that you can use. All right, okay. So if you have enjoyed the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay.